Hi, I'm Lori Koch, one of the engineers here at MTC Solutions. I want to introduce you to our newly updated rigging design guide. Our rigging design guide can help you select the most efficient hardware to safely lift your timber element. Let's go through the 4 basic steps you'll follow to get from model to the job site. First, use equation 1 to calculate the force on each anchor, F. This also is known as the demand. We provide information on what each of the values in this equation mean and how to choose the right value. Second, choose the right product and use equation 2 here to calculate the adjusted anchor capacity Z prime. Need help picking which one is the right one for you? Check out our new handy selection table, which can help guide you to the right anchor for whatever it is that you're lifting. Third, check to make sure that the on-site conditions match the design specifications, including ensuring the sling angle is correct, the anchors are installed with the appropriate ASSI screws and all minimum penetrations are met, and all minimum end and edge distance requirements are satisfied. And finally, install. Anchors should always be installed with new ASSI screws as specified in the guide. Anchors can be reused, but should be carefully inspected for signs of excessive wear or damage after each use. Check out our website for additional information and to download a copy of the guide for yourself. Our technical support team is happy to answer any questions you may have, so don't hesitate to reach out to us. Happy lifting!